Welcome back to Noir Velocity. Today, we're taking an exclusive first look at the 2026-27 Audi Q9L, Audi's most luxurious and spacious SUV ever created. If you've been waiting for a premium three-row SUV that combines cutting-edge technology, executive comfort, bold styling, and family-friendly practicality, then you're in the right place. Stay with us, because this flagship Audi could completely redefine what a luxury SUV should be. At first glance, the Q9L immediately commands attention. Audi has given it a bold, elegant design that feels both sporty and sophisticated. The massive single-frame grille is paired with ultra-slim matrix-LED headlights, creating an aggressive yet refined front fascia. Sharp body lines flow smoothly from front to rear, while the long wheelbase design gives the SUV an unmistakable executive presence. Large alloy wheels, a panoramic glass roof, flush door handles, and a full-width OLED rear light bar complete a modern look that feels premium from every angle. Whether parked outside a luxury hotel or cruising through city streets, the Q9L stands out effortlessly. Step inside, and the cabin feels more like a first-class lounge than an SUV. Premium leather upholstery, soft-touch materials, genuine wood accents, brushed aluminum trim, and customizable ambient lighting create an atmosphere of pure luxury. The massive curved OLED infotainment display blends perfectly with Audi's virtual cockpit digital instrument cluster, delivering crisp graphics and lightning-fast responses. Every button, every surface, and every detail feels carefully crafted to provide the ultimate driving experience. The spacious interior is where the Q9L truly shines. Thanks to its extended wheelbase, passengers in all three rows enjoy impressive legroom and headroom. The front seats offer heating, ventilation, massage functions, and multiple power adjustments for maximum comfort. Second-row captain's chairs provide limousine-like luxury, while even the third-row seats comfortably accommodate adults on longer journeys. With flexible seating configurations and a generous cargo area, this SUV is built for everything from daily commutes to cross-country family adventures. Under the hood, the 2026-27 Audi Q9L is expected to offer a range of advanced powertrains, including turbocharged V6 engines, plug-in hybrid technology, and possibly a high-performance SQ9 variant. Audi's legendary quattro all-wheel drive system ensures exceptional traction in all-weather conditions, while adaptive air suspension delivers a ride that is both smooth and confident. Whether you're navigating busy city streets, winding mountain roads, or long highway drives, the Q9L feels composed, refined, and incredibly stable. Technology takes center stage throughout the cabin. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, over-the-air software updates, multiple USB-C charging ports, premium Bang & Olufsen surround sound, wireless phone charging, voice controls, and AI-powered driver assistance features make every trip more enjoyable. Rear passengers benefit from dedicated climate controls and entertainment screens, transforming long journeys into relaxing experiences. Safety is another area where Audi raises the bar. The Q9L is expected to feature adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, traffic jam assist, 360-degree cameras, parking assistance, cross-traffic alert, and advanced driver monitoring systems. Combined with Audi's strong body structure and intelligent safety technologies, this SUV provides peace of mind for both drivers and passengers. When it comes to comfort, very few SUVs can compete. Excellent sound insulation keeps road and wind noise to a minimum, while the adaptive suspension effortlessly absorbs bumps and rough roads. The panoramic roof fills the cabin with natural light, and the premium climate control system ensures every passenger enjoys a perfect temperature regardless of the season. Although Audi has not officially confirmed final pricing, industry expectations place the 2026-27 Audi Q9L in the premium luxury SUV segment, starting at approximately $90,000 to $120,000, depending on trim level and options. Considering the advanced technology, spacious interior, premium materials, powerful performance, and luxury features on offer, It promises excellent value against rivals from BMW, Mercedes-Benz, and Range Rover. So is the 2026-27 Audi Q9L the ultimate luxury family SUV? It certainly looks ready to earn that title. With stunning design, exceptional comfort, powerful performance, advanced safety, and cutting-edge technology, it offers everything modern families expect from a flagship SUV without sacrificing style or driving excitement. What do you think about the all-new Audi Q9L? Would you choose it over the BMW X7, Mercedes-Benz GLS, or Range Rover? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this exclusive review, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Noir Velocity, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest luxury car reviews, concept vehicles, and future automotive innovations. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.